Guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In today's video, guys, we are doing a whole house tour of my Christmas decorations. Alright, you guys, fun fact, I have had my decorations up for quite some time. I just haven't had the opportunity to film this video, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm really sorry for about taking so long to film this video. But needless to say, we're going to start with my front porch. So pretty much the theme that I wanted from my front porch is kind of like the Candyland type, I don't know, candy cane and type of theme. So I got these beautiful front porch tree prints from Walmart. They came in a twin pack. They were not pricey at all, you guys, and I think they're like 3.5 feet tall. Those bows came from the Dollar Tree, and the actual ornaments I had last year. Now these beautiful candy canes, I actually got those from Walmart, and I think they were like $5 a piece. You guys, when I seen these candy canes, I was like, yes, I have to hurry up and grab them. That nice gift box that you see with the beautiful red bow, I had that last year, and I got that from Ross. The beautiful Believe mat came from Walmart, and this nice tall lovely Believe sign, it came from Walmart as well. All right, you guys, the actual theme of my front porch came from this wreath. I seen this wreath in Big Lots. When I seen the candy striped ornaments on the wreath, I was like, yes, this is the theme that I really want. So that is where my theme came from that wreath on the door. So yes, you guys, I love the way the front porch looks. It just has that nice, I guess, that like that candy cane, candy land type of feel, and that's the feel that I was going for. So I really love the way my front porch actually looks and it turned out. Alright, you guys, now let's take a look into my front entryway. Now I'm not going to be honest with you guys, my front entryway, I was pondering about what can I do, but needless to say, it turned out absolutely beautiful. I went with the gold and the silver in my front entryway with a hint of white. And as you can see on the garland, if you can tell, those little ornaments, those are clips. I got those from Walmart. The bows came from, I think I either got them from Family Dollar or Dollar Tree. I'm not really sure. But I love the detail. I love the way it looks in here. Everybody, it's very welcoming. It's very inviting. It's not overwhelming. And I just like the simplicity of it. I like the simplicity of it, and I think it looks really nice. Now, as you close the door and you're looking from this angle, I actually got these two little end tables from Ross, and I got the lanterns from another store. I can't think of it, but inside the lanterns, I just simply placed some ornaments in there to give it a little festive feel, and some pine cones. That Mary sign came from Home Goods. And so yeah, this is an overview of what the front entryway looks like. Now I got this beautiful wreath from Big Lots. Again, this is where my color scheme came from the front entryway, as you can see. So yeah, that had a major role in it. So I thought that'll be absolutely beautiful. But you guys, I really love it. It's pretty in here. It's very simplified, and when you come in, it's very warm and inviting as well. So I really love the way my front entryway turned out. Alright, you guys, we're going to do a brief decorate with me before I actually do the reveal of my living room area. So I got this nice garland with the actual flock on it. You guys, I really love this. You guys, I'm telling you, this type of garland, it really just brings out a good feel in the living room. I was like, oh my God, but you guys, it is so messy. It is extremely messy, so just keep that in mind when you want to purchase, like if you get you a flock tree or you want to purchase some flock garland, just know that it's beautiful, but it's really messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten this out a little bit and put it on my fireplace. All right, now that we got the garland applied to my fireplace, I want to talk about these beautiful, nice 5 LED Christmas lights that I got, you guys. When I seen this in the store, I was like, oh yes, I got to have them. I got to have them. I got to have them. They do have timers on them if you want to set the timers, you guys. But these are just absolutely cute, and I think they're just so festive. So I think this will be a good place for me to put them on top of my fireplace. So I got these little clips that actually, apply to, like your garland and stuff. And I was like struggling with this, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. So I was like, how can I put this up here so it can look really nice? Just bring like a little pop color, or just that pop color that I'm looking for. So I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna stick them down just like this and stand them up this way, and then that way, you still can see them and it still looks nice. So you guys, I really, really was winging it right here, honestly. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start decorating my fireplace, the lower area of my fireplace. And as I was telling you guys, that flock garland, it is messy, so I gotta do a little vacuuming before we get started decorating the lower part of my fireplace. All right, you guys, if you haven't figured it out by now, my favorite color is blue. Yes, 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 I love the color blue. But needless to say, my theme colors for my living room is like the royal blue, the white, and the actual gold color. This was so beautiful. I think we were in Big Lots one day and I just seen this color. I was like, okay, this is definitely going to be my theme for my living room. So yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, you guys. I love the way everything looks in here. I actually got the pillows from Big Lots. A lot of the stuff in here actually came from Big Lots. To be honest, it was actually Big Lots, I think Roses, and Walmart. Yeah, but I love everything and the way everything turned out, you guys. All right, you guys, that concludes the way my living room turned out. I love it. It is absolutely beautiful in here. You guys, I am so grateful and thankful and blessed to be able to have decorated my home like this. I have never been able to decorate my home like this. And so I am just so, so happy and thankful. I'm looking forward to, hosting Christmas at my house this year with my family and friends. And so I hope you guys have a great holiday season. And I hope you enjoyed my whole house tour of my Christmas decor. You guys have a blessed holiday, and I will see you guys in the next video.